Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Daisy. If you own a small business, sell personalized products, or have an Etsy shop, you know that creating content for every product can take a lot of time. It's not just about creating the design. You also need product photos, mockups, and content for social media to promote it. And many times creating all that content takes almost as much time as making the product itself. For example, here are a few designs that I am planning to use for personalized products in my online shop. I haven't made the actual product yet because I'll create them as orders come in. But that doesn't mean I have to wait before I start promoting them. Today I'll show you how to create your custom design or bring your own and turn it into product mockups, product images, and even social media content in just a few minutes using Kittle's new AI workflows. With it, you can create a design from scratch using pre-made templates or simply upload a design you already have. The best part is that you don't have to write complicated prompts or start with a blank page. Once your design is ready, that's where the new AI workflow really make a difference. All you have to do is choose a workflow, upload your design, select a few options, and within minutes you can turn it into mockups, product images, and even social media content. As soon as you open Kittle, the first thing you will see is the AI Workflows library. Basically, this is where you choose what you want to create. For example, you can create a design, generate different versions of it, change the color of a product, create mockups, product images, logos, and even videos to promote your product. Everything is organized, so all you have to do is choose the workflow you need. In my case, I'm going to create a t-shirt design, although you could also use it for mugs, tumblers, and many other personalized products. Then I will show you how to turn that same design into different product images. I will also show you how quickly create mockups and animated images that you can use to promote your products on social media or in your online store. The first thing I'm going to do is create the design. Here you will find several options. For example, match a merch style, create a design using the style of another design, handcraft design, vintage design, doodle design, and there are many more options depending the style you're looking for. In my case, I'm going to choose match a merch style because I want to create a design using the same styles as one I already have. In the first step, we will upload the design we want to use as a reference. I already have several designs created, so I'm going to upload this one. Now we move on to step 2. Here we simply type the changes we want to make to the new design. I'm going to type plants are my therapy. One thing I really like is that you can write your text in any language you want. Click generate, and now we just wait about a minute while Kittle creates the new design. And here it is. Look how beautiful it turned out. The best part is that I didn't have to start from scratch. I was able to keep the same style as the original design and simply change the text. In fact, that's exactly how I created all of these designs you see here. They all have the same style, but with different phrases. If you like one of them, simply select it. From here, you can download it or continue editing if you like to make any changes. To edit or download it, simply select the design, and in the lower right corner, you'll see the option to download or edit. If you want to download it, I recommend exporting it at 2 or even 3 times its original size so you will get excellent image quality. If you want to edit it, simply click Edit, and Kiro will ask whether you like to edit it in an existing canvas or create a new project. Choose New Project, and it will open the design in a new canvas where you want to continue editing it. You can make any changes you like. If you're happy with the design and don't want to modify it, simply click Download. Then go to AI Generated, and you'll find your design there if you don't want to make any edits. In my case, I don't need to edit the design. I just need to remove the background because I need to print these designs with my DTF printer. And for that, it needs to have transparent background. Select the design, go to the right column, and click Remove Background. And in just a few seconds, Kiro does an amazing job separating the design from the background. If you don't need to remove the background, you can simply download it directly to your computer. And that's how you keep creating more designs in the same style. Let me show you another example. You can even create SVG style designs for laser engravers or cutting machines. For example, this woodcut workflow will be perfect for creating designs to engrave with a laser machine. In step 1, we'll enter the title of the design. I'm going to type Plant Lover Design. In step 2, I'll enter the phrase I want to use. I'm going to type plant lady. Before I generate it, I want to show you the two designs I created earlier. This one is the craft label style, which is perfect for SVG projects, and this colorful one will be great for sublimation or DTF printing. Now I'll click Generate, and here it is. This plant lady design will be perfect for laser engraving. All of your generated designs will be saved in your gallery, and of course you can also download them just like we did before. Now let's go back and take a look at the next workflow. For example, we can turn the designs we just created into short videos to promote them on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other social media platform. I will select this workflow. Now we will upload the design. I already have one I like to use, so I'll click My AI Creations. This is where all my AI generated images are saved. For this workflow, I have two options, zoom in or zoom out. I'm going to choose the first one and click Generate. After about 3 minutes, our animated image is ready. Now we have a short video that we can use for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other social media platform. The best part is that we don't even need to have a physical product yet. We can create all of this content before we receive an order. To download it, just like before, click the download button in the bottom right corner and you'll have it saved on your computer or phone. Now let's move on to the next workflow. This time I'm going to show you how to create a mock-up. Here you'll find several mock-up templates. For this example, I'm going to choose the first one to create a t-shirt mockup using one of the designs we just created. And it's super easy. The workflow guides you through every step. First, upload your design. Second, choose the product. And third, select the position where you like the design to appear. I left the design for last, so let's upload it now. I will click Use Image. Now I'll click Generate. After about a minute, here it is. We now have a beautiful sweatshirt mock-up featuring the design we just created. You can use the same process to create even more mock-ups for t-shirts, hoodies, and many other products. If you already have a photo of the item you like to personalize, you can also create a mock-up using your own product. Let me show you. I will select this workflow. First, I will upload the design. I'm going to use one of the designs I just created. Now, I will upload a photo of the product. In this case, I'm going to use this tumbler. Then click Generate, and there it is. Our mockup is ready. Just download it, and now you can start promoting that product without actually making it first, taking product photos, or spending hours using graphic design software. And that's not all. We can also change the color of the product. First, upload the product image. I will go to my AI creations and select one of the mockups I created earlier. For example, this white tumbler. Now we can change its color. There's a color palette available, but if you don't see the exact color you need, simply click the plus icon. From there, you can create a custom color that matches the products you have in your inventory. I'm going to create a soft yellow color because it will make the design stand out nicely. If you choose a color that's too dark, the design won't be as visible. Now I'll click Generate. After about a minute, here's our mockup in a completely different color. What do you think? You can also remove the background from a mockup. You can clean up the product, swap the background, or even add a new background to an image that doesn't have one. Let me show you. Here I have one of the mockups I just created with a background. I will select it, click Use Image, and then Generate. As you can see, Kiro automatically removed the background. Now we have the freedom to place that product on any background we want. Next, let me show you how to add a background to an image that doesn't have one. We will upload the image we just removed the background from. Then, in step 2, we can either choose one of the available backgrounds or create our own by describing the background we like. Now I'll click Generate, and here we have a much more customized mockup. Last but not least, you can also create logos. Let me quickly show you how easy it is. There are several logo styles to choose from. I will select this one. In the first field, enter your business name. In the second field, describe your business. And in the third field, enter what your business does. Now click Generate, and that's it. In just a few moments, we have a professional looking logo. I already have a logo for my business, but I wanted to show you this as an example of how quickly you can create one. As you can see, starting with just one design, you can create all kinds of content to promote your products. A mock-up, a product image, a lifestyle image, and even content for social media. And all I had to do was choose a workflow, upload my design, and select a few options. Kiro's new AI workflows are now available. You can try them for free and explore all the different workflows created for a wide variety of designs and product needs. I will leave the link in the description below if you would like to try Kiro for yourself. And if you decide to upgrade, don't forget to use my code to get 50% off of the annual plans for a limited time. If you enjoyed this video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.